Those are molting feathers. Yeah, so this is what a molting chicken looks like. Looking pretty skimpy here. Where's your feathers going? So if your birds are molting, I've heard that it's important to give them protein. So I've got some suet that I have around just for irregular bird feed suet, and beef fat, so you get some, should be some protein in there for them. You're not the only one molting. There's some other colored feathers in there. The suet that I'm using is a peanut high energy. Actually, it's probably good for also in the winter time because they need that little extra boost of energy. Yeah, this is Sunny's. It's actually Turtle Mountain Seed Company. So. Fall time for the birds. Losing their feathers, but I'll keep them well fed and give them that protein.